This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
Today I'm here with Mike. He is with O'Brien Service Company, Wilmington's local heating and air specialist since 1981. And Mike, you're going to tell us about why we should choose O'Brien to install our HVAC equipment in our homes or businesses.
Yes, Megan. Thank you for having us. As you all know, we are a locally owned company with 40 plus years experience in this industry. And at O'Brien's, we're passionate about our work. And we believe in serving our community by being a trustworthy company, focused on providing our clients with the right solutions for the job, and by offering our top quality products and superior customer service from start to finish.
And what are some examples of O'Brien going the extra mile?
Some examples are, as installers, we treat your home as if it's our own, protecting it by wearing shoe coverings and laying out forerunners, keeping a clean work environment throughout the day and leaving the home as if we were never there. Our installers go through continuous training throughout the year, and so we can provide a higher level of craftsmanship and attention to detail on all our jobs, as well as having compassion for our customers, wanting their investment to be fully understood and embody a solution that fits their needs.
And what if someone's on the fence about replacing their HVAC system for their business or home?
Well, they have several options. They can go online, or they can give us a call, talk to any one of our representatives, or we can also send out a comfort specialist to go over their options at home.
Thanks, Mike. Learn more at o'brienservice.com.
For more details, go to HomePros on WECT.com.